Today we're doing a 200-yard pour for the San Francisco Public Utility Commission. And this is very important, it's very time critical. We have to get this done before the winter time. And this is a remarkable team that's working, men and women, that are working to make this happen.
We're building a new powder-activated carbon building directly behind me, which will feed the FDS, which is to my right, the flash mix system, and then the remainder of the plant to my left here. Typically, concrete pours start the critical path of every schedule on a construction project. Some of the hurdles with concrete is making sure that everything is met on the specifications. Air content, slump, and something that's important on this job is the shrinkage testing and results, because it's going to hold a chemical slurry. So having a leak-proof building is extremely important. I think it's something that we take for granted every day. It's in all the buildings that we either live in or go to for work. It's the foundations of our houses. It's sometimes the infrastructure of our roads. It's really the foundation for everything that the United States stands for. When you're pouring concrete, it's always a thing. It's loud, it's obnoxious. There's a time-sensitive manner with everything. It adds stress to the job, there's no question. Every single concrete pour that you have, whether it's small to large, which we've done over 3,000-yard pours in one time here at Anvil, anything that could go wrong, we need to make sure you have a plan A, B, C, and D to make sure that everything gets done per the drawings and the specs. On this job, we're given 90 minutes from the time it's batched in Pleasanton, Livermore to point of placement. So 90 minutes from hitting the truck to hitting the ground here in the slab. So it is important, right? Especially in Bay Area traffic, that can be a challenge in itself.
Anvil takes great pride in working with San Francisco's Public Utility Commission. They're a great client, and we look forward to doing a lot more work with them.